Welcome back to the channel. So today what I got for you is I just recently went out to the Exoplex for some testing for my crawlers, but I took the Traxxas Maxx, which is down here below me. I'm not sure if you can see it. Took it out there with me as well because I don't get to run it very often. And USTE is coming up and they have a basher park, which I did last year with the Traxxas Maxx. Wanted to make sure it was ready to go. And Exocaged RC has just put together a sort of a track in his backyard. So took the Max out there, ran it, bashed it. Exocage and myself actually ran both of our Maxes and played around. So I've got some footage from that. So let's check it out.
Scare them off with your vehicle. Well, it works on goats. You gotta fly that thing, buddy.
Yeah.
That corner, I gotta work on that corner some more. I've got everything I need to convert this to the V2, except for the body. Those are kind of hard to come by at those gears right now.
Oh!
I like the corner being higher. Oh, went a little high on that one.
Oh! Oh, I cut the corner. Oh, I hit the brakes. Yeah. Dang it. A little bit more.
Oh! You see that?
Barely.
Dude, if you catch that a little bit to this of the middle, dude, it launches you up for backflips. Oh. Oh, you cleared it that time. Oh, I tried for a backflip over there, but I didn't hit it right.
Oh, not quite enough. I got that one.
I thought you landed. Because it won't fit on anything once I get the V2 chassis and all put in.
Oh, dang it.
I just rode the blue pipe.
I was almost there. Oh man, I keep missing that corner.
Yeah, the shadows, they
Oh! Dang it, hit the brakes too quick. Oh! Dang it.
All right, guys, so what do you think? The Max is an awesome vehicle. It takes a beating. The body is trashed on this thing, and I imagine after the USTE Basher Park this year that this body will be completely gone. I do have some supplies I bought to try to keep the body together a little bit, and I may do a little bit of work on it just to keep it a little bit better. But after USTE, I really need to invest in a new body for this because it's just been beat. But this thing is stock. You know, it's got the wide kit with the metal axles, but those are all Traxxas parts. This thing takes a beating and just keeps on going. Great. I don't drive it enough. I need to drive it more because it's a lot of fun. Exocage's track, that was a lot of fun. I haven't really done any track driving. Definitely not with the Max, and not in a very long time. That was fun. I had a lot of mess ups, but I was starting to get the hang of it and was enjoying it. I think he's got another event coming up here soon, and the plan is to do some crawling and then do some bashing and track racing. So I'll be taking the Max, I think, back out there for some more. I hope you like what you see today, guys. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time.